you know what is the first step on the way to the healthy body and healthy mind? Of course, is cleansing, is detoxification. So today I decided to share with you very important yogic technique which calls Kapalabhati. This technique helps to cleanse your body and cleanse your mind. Kapal is head, skull, and Bhati is light. So translation of Kapalabhati from Sanskrit is shining of the skull. Means that this technique helps to cleanse your mind from being busy and thinking about something all the time. And on the physical level, this technique is really great. It helps to purify your body. It helps to increase the blood circulation, to oxygenate your body. So when you wake up on empty stomach, if you do this technique, you will feel different after 2-3 minutes, and you don't need coffee anymore, because by doing this technique we are stimulating our sympathetic nervous system, so we will activate our body in the morning. Then this technique helps to massage your internal organs and to improve your digestion, and is really one of the most important techniques in yoga for purification. Let's learn it today, but people who had any kind of operations on abdominal area, on the head, on the heart for the last 6 months, you have to avoid doing this technique. Also pregnant ladies, ladies with a period, you have to skip it. People with a high blood pressure, I don't suggest you to do it without a consultation with a teacher, without doing it one-on-one, because it's important that the teacher is seeing your condition and how you feel doing this technique. So let's start. Straight back, relax your shoulders, lengthen your spine. Just few long deep breaths. And then put your hands on your abdomen. And when you inhale, relax your abdomen and expand it, make it bigger. And when you slowly exhale, move your abdomen in. Navel moves towards your spine. Inhale, abdomen out, and exhale, abdomen in. When you feel that movement in and out, relax your abdomen when you inhale and forcefully exhale, like this. Imagine that you wish to cleanse your nostrils from the mucus without using the tissue. Let's try. Inhale slowly and fast and forceful exhalation. Cleansing your nostrils from the mucus. Cleansing your respiratory system and making your immune system stronger. Fast exhale. Let's do 20 together. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Good. Rest for a while. This time we will do 40 forceful exhalations. Focus on exhalation. Inhale will happen by itself when you relax your abdomen. Stimulate your immune system. I highly suggest you to do this technique every morning on empty stomach. Let's start. 40. If you need to stop before in case you feel the head spinning, please rest. your hand on your knee. Keep your eyes closed. Listen to your body and listen to your mind. You might notice that your mind is quiet. There is silence. Doing this technique just for a few minutes help you to come back to the present moment, from thinking about the past or about future, to come back to now. Enjoy the silence. And slowly open your eyes. Try to practice Kapalabhati every morning. Keep your immune system strong, keep your mind calm. Thank you. Namaste.